Hello viewers, welcome to Sumi and Siddharth channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a simple watermelon juice and a watermelon ice popsicle. Watermelon is rich in antioxidant and has a very less calorie. To make a watermelon juice and an ice popsicle, all you need is watermelon. Let's go through the process. Here I have a bowl of watermelon. Today I have a very sweet watermelon, so I'm not adding any sugar or honey, but in case if your watermelon is not sweet enough, you can add a little bit of sugar or honey as per your taste, but I'm going to skip this in my recipe today. So all I take a watermelon, put it in the blender and make a puree. Here I pureed the watermelon very well. I'm going to strain through the strainer. This is a very easiest recipe, perfect to make it with your kid. If you can give your kid a plastic knife, they would love to cut it out. Even the straining part, you can let them to do with your supervision. Here I have a watermelon juice ready. I'm just pouring it in a glass. If you have a popsicle mold, it's okay, good to use. But in case if you don't have a popsicle mold, you don't have to worry about it. Just take your ice cube tray and pour it in the, you can pour it in your ice tray. And this has to go inside the freezer for up to 4 to 6 hours. These are great substitute for store-bought juices and popsicles. Here is my popsicles are ready. It's been sitting in the freezer for more than 6 hours. So I took it out and kept it outside for 5 minutes, and I am going to release it from the mold. Look at this, it came out so lovely. It's a great snack for kids and adults. If you like this recipe and video, please give a thumbs up for our video and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.